Introducing Mouzen. Mouzen is an innovative armrest designed to optimize the position of your wrist and reduce pain while working with your mouse and keyboard. Mouzen takes 6 seconds to install, and it's so beautiful, you'll never want to take it off. With its ErgoFlow mechanism, Mouzen allows you to move freely and comfortably, supporting your arm in a natural state and forcing you to maintain an upright posture. Did you know that an average user makes up to 7,000 mouse clicks every day? But not all repetitions are good. Maintaining your wrist in an unnatural position can be associated with repetitive strain injuries, tendinitis, and potential risk of the carpal tunnel syndrome. We've designed a concept that keeps your arm in a natural position to relieve wrist tension and shoulder pain. Mouzen is a result of more than 1,000 hours of development and countless reiterations, giving birth to a groundbreaking ErgoFlow mechanism that supports your arm and allows it to move freely in all directions. Dear Kickstarter community, with a working prototype, Mouzen is now ready to hit the production line. Pledge to our project today, build a more ergonomic workstation, and create a healthier and more productive future for yourself or your employees.
An artist's tool is only as good as the artist. But a great tool can help an artist see things in a different light. Meet Scribble. It lets you borrow the colors around you and allows you to use the world as your inspiration. Just scan and start creating. It works by using a special color sensor to read the colors you scan, and a smart pump mixes and dispenses the colored ink. And with the Scribble Smart Stylus, the colors you scan will sync up with your smart devices via Bluetooth. With Scribble, the world is your palette. Scribble also helps you organize the colors in your home. With the app, you can know exactly what colors you scan and save them for later inspiration. Now, every room will be in perfect harmony. Scribble is your personal fashion advisor. Your looks will always be in sync, no matter the occasion. From your clothes to your makeup. So you can walk out with confidence. With Scribble, you can draw for as long as you want, because the ink cartridges are refillable and each lasts up to 30 miles of drawing. Scanning is simple and fast, so you can capture those colors in an instant. Plus, Scribble lets you store your own customized library of colors. And the Smart Stylus lets you apply your colors to Photoshop or your smart devices. And the mobile app lets you access your colors from anywhere, so the possibilities are limitless. With Scribble, you don't just capture colors for yourself, but also to share them. And nothing is more satisfying than a successful collaboration. The world is made of wonderful colors. And now, you have them all at your fingertips. So it's time for you to scribble.